So first, when you try to message someone, you may see unavailable to send message, or your message keeps showing message request sent but never delivers. So you resend it again and again, but it's not work for your side. Here's how to quickly find the issue and fix it. So the first thing you have to try by follow the person and make sure the other person follows you back and doesn't have any restriction on receiving messages from unknown users. So if both of you follow each other and it still doesn't work, the issue is likely on TikTok side. So in that case, you must have to check some settings first. So just from your TikTok, from your profile, then hit on this hamburger menu, go to settings and privacy, and from the privacy section, go to direct messages. And here you have to make sure safe mode is turned off because this can block or hide messages. So after turning it off, try sending the message again. And then you have to check one more things from TikTok. Just back from here and go to App Store or Play Store, whichever device you are using. And here you have to search for TikTok. And then you have to update the app if an update is available. Then reopen TikTok and try again. But if you're still facing problem, then you have to check your account status. So for that, from your profile, go to the hamburger menu again, and from settings and privacy, you have to scroll down to help center. Then open account status. And here you have to make sure your account is in good standing. If there's any violation or temporary restriction, you will need to wait until it's fixed. And then you can try by contact TikTok support. Just go to chat with us and explain the issue. And TikTok will let you know if your messaging is temporarily unavailable or not. And if you see the problem is from the TikTok side, you have to wait about 24 to 72 hours until it's fixed and fine. And after trying all of this process, just check that your message is sent again, and now you can see it's fixed and fine. So the main solution is to check your settings first and then see if the problem is fixed. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.